So can I ask you something for anybody who knows? Like, I just saw a video of somebody, one of the people that I follow, that's also here in Bulgaria. And she spoke about her husband that got bit by snakes. Whew. So, as much as I love it here in Bulgaria, it is amazing here. I have daily nightmares about snakes. Honestly, I am terrified. I have only seen 2 of them crawling on the road when we were just driving the car. I have not seen any snake yet, and I really don't want to. But I just have a question for the people that know anything about it, because I don't know. I have no idea. What should you do if you get bitten by a snake? What do I do? Do I just what? What do I do? Do I just what? I saw somebody saying something about injections, that you should buy injections and you should have them with you or something. Should you just inject yourself, or what is that? How do the people in Bulgaria, how do you do that? Are you not terrified? Some snakes can be really dangerous, right? I am in the Veliko Tarnovo area, and I don't really know if some people say, yeah, there are snakes here. Some people say, no, they are not. But I did see some snakes on the road, but it was a little I think 20 minutes from here by car. So just an honest question, guys. If anybody knows anything about that, if you are familiar in Bulgaria, or you're living here already longer, what should you do if you get bitten by a snake? How do you know if it's a dangerous one, and all the things? Please explain, because I'm I have nightmares from that sometimes. It's just, I'm here in the garden, I'm trying to clear everything up, and it's a huge mess. As you can see, it's all, yeah, I have to do a lot still. But sometimes it keeps me, because I'm so terrified that there would be a snake there and I won't see it and it will bite me, and if it's something dangerous. Ooh. So again, please explain to me what I should do if something like that happens. Should I go somewhere to buy some injections and have them at home, or what's going on with that? I know some of you guys know that, so please explain to me. Just maybe I will get a little more calm if I, if I know. This lady, she told me that they had to go to the hospital or to the doctor very fast. But yeah, what if you cannot do that or something? I don't know. Just, yeah. Please explain.